I'm Sir Oliver, your online math tutor. Hello mga kaMathmates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag mo kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit mo na yung post notification bell para updated ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bagong video. Panibagong video, panibagong topic na naman ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon tungkol sa solving systems of linear equations using elimination method. What you will learn: find the solution of the given systems of linear equations using elimination method. So let's explore. Guessing game. How many coins are in each hand? So we have here given clues. For our first clue, there are 8 coins in all. Again, for our first clue, there are 8 coins in all. For our second clue, there are 2 more coins on the right hand than on the left hand. So what's your guess? So let x be the number of coins on the right hand and y be the number of coins on the left hand. So we are going to translate those verbal statement into a mathematical statement. So we will be starting with our first clue. There are 8 coins in all. So therefore the equation is x plus y equals to 8. So we just add x and y. So x would be the number of coins on the right hand and y be the number of coins on the left hand, that is equal to 8. So x plus y equals 8. And for our second clue, there are 2 more coins on the right hand than on the left hand. So therefore, when we subtract x minus 8 equals 2. So therefore, mas lamang daw ng dalawang coins yung right hand kesa sa left hand. Kaya ang kanilang difference ay 2. So ang ating second equation ay x minus y equals to 2. So that is an example of systems of linear equations into variables. So paano natin masosolve yung gantong problem using the elimination method? So let us eliminate a variable y. Since y minus y equals to 0. So na-eliminate natin yung y. So therefore, we are solving for x. So x plus x is 2x, then 8 plus 2 is 10. Then MPE, divide both sides by 2, x equals to 5. So nasolve na natin yung value ng x na 5. Then we need to solve for the value of y by substituting x equals 5 in equation 1. So our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 8. Then your x is 5 plus 8 equals to 8. Then y equals, get the additive inverse of 5, that is negative 5. So 8 minus 5 is positive 3. The solution is 5, 3. Therefore, there are 5 coins on the right hand and 3 coins on the left hand. So, ganito yung gagawin natin sa mga susunod na example. So, solving systems of linear equations using the elimination method. So, ano ba yung mga steps na kailangan nating sundan dito sa elimination method? So I think this method is easier than the substitution method, especially when the two equations are in standard form. First, decide which variable you want to eliminate. Second, multiply one or both equations by the appropriate constants so that the variable that you want to eliminate becomes additive inverses of each other. Third, add the resulting equations. 4. Solve the equation obtained in step 3. 5. Substitute the value of the variable obtained in step 4 into one of the original equations and solve for the other variable. Last, check your solutions in both original equations. So these are the steps that we need to follow in solving system of linear equations. So let's have our first example. So our equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equals to 4. And for our second equation, x minus 2y equals to 2. And we need to solve the system of linear equations using the elimination method. So let's start with step 1. In order to eliminate x, the coefficient of x in the equation 2 should be the additive inverse of 3. Kung mapapansin, we decided to eliminate variable x. So, yung constant na nasa baba ay 1, kailangan ay maging additive inverse ng coefficient ng unang equation, 3x. So, what is the additive inverse of 3x? Negative 3x. So, therefore, we need to multiply equation 2 by negative 3 para maging additive inverse ng variable x ng equation 1. Okay? So, for our equation 1, we just copy 3x plus 4y equals to 4. And then, we need to multiply each term by negative 3 para maging additive inverses. So, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2y is positive 6y. And negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. So, therefore, meron na tayo ngayong additive inverses, which is variable x na ating i-eliminate because 3x minus 3x is 0. So, dito ay masolve natin si variable y. So, you just add 4y plus 6y is 10y. Then, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. And then, divide both sides by 10. So, y equals negative 2/10. Lowest term is negative 1/5. So, ngayon ay nasolve na natin ang value ni y. Then, for our step 5, substitute y equals to negative 1/5 to equation 2. So, ang ating equation 2 ay x minus 2y equals 2. And then, you just substitute y as negative 1/5. So, x minus 2 times negative 1/5 equals to 2. Therefore, x, negative times negative is positive. That will be 2/5 equals 2. And then get the additive inverse of 2/5. It will become negative 2/5. So, x equals to 2 minus 2/5. So, whole number added to a fraction. So, we need to get the LCD. That is 5. So, i-multiply natin yung 5 sa 2 dun sa whole numbers. So, it will become 5 times 2 is 10 minus 2 over 5. Again, minultiply natin yung 5 sa 2. That will become 10 minus 2 over 5. Then, 10 minus 2 is 8 over 5 or 8/5. Therefore, the solution is 8/5 negative 1/5. So, we're now on our last step to check our work. If 8/5 and negative 1/5 is a solution in the given systems of linear equations. So, let's start with equation 1. 3x plus 4y equals to 4. And then, we just substitute x as 8 over 5 or 8/5. And then, your y is negative 1/5. So, you just substitute the value, then multiply sa numerator. 3 times 8 is 24 over 5. Minus, because positive and then negative is negative. So, 4 times 1 is 4 over 5. And then, you just subtract the numerator. 24 minus 4 is 20 over 5 equals to 4. Then, 4 equals to 4 is checked for our first equation. Second equation is x minus 2y equals positive 2. Then, you just substitute the values. So, 8/5 minus 2 times negative 1/5 equals to 2. Then, multiply. 8/5, then negative times negative is positive. 2 times 1 is 2/5 equals 2. And then, you just add the numerators. 8 plus 2 is 10 fifth equals 2. Then divide. 10 divides 5 is 2 equals 2. Check. So that is a solution. For our example 2, first equation, 2x minus 3y equals to negative 2. Second equation, x plus 3y equals to negative 10. And we need to find the solution of the given systems of linear equations. Step 1. The variable y can be eliminated since its coefficients are additive inverses of one another. Kung mapapansin, pwede na nating eliminate yung y because negative 3 and positive 3 are additive inverses of one another. So, meaning to say, kapag ganito yung ating example, wala na po tayong i-multiply. So, we can proceed now to step 2 to 4. So, we can eliminate variable y to solve for x. Since negative 3y plus 3y is 0, then you just add 2x plus x is 3x. Negative 2 minus 10, like sign, add, then copy the sign, that is negative 12. Again, negative 2 minus 10, just add, then copy the sign, that is negative 12. Then divide both sides by 3. So negative 12 divides 3 is negative 4. So therefore, x equals to negative 4 na isa-substitute natin sa equation 2 to solve for the value of y. So for our equation 2, x plus 3y equals to negative 10. So sinubstitute natin yung x na negative 4 plus 3y equals to negative 10. Then, we need to get the additive inverse of negative 4. Ililipat sa right side. 3y equals to negative 10 plus 4. Just subtract. Negative 10 plus 4 is negative 6. And then, divide both sides by 3. So, negative 6 divides 3 is negative 2. The solution is 4, negative 2. So, let us check whether negative 4, negative 2 is a solution. So, we just substitute all the values in our equation 1. 2 times negative 4 minus 3 times negative 2 equals to negative 2. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Then, negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 equals negative 2. Then, negative 8 plus 6 equals to negative 2. Negative 2 equals to negative 2. Next, x plus 3y equals to negative 10. We just substitute. Negative 4 plus 3 times negative 2 equals to negative 10. Negative 4, positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And I just add, copy the sign. Negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10 equals to negative 10. Meaning to say, negative 4 and negative 2 is a solution in the given system. So that's all for our discussion. So I want you to answer this activity. So you may get your pen and paper. Pwede nyo munang i-post yung video. And then I will be revealing the answers. So have fun answering our activity for today. So answers for number 1, you have x equals to negative 1 and y equals 2 or negative 1, 2. For number 2, x equals to negative 26 and y equals to 10 or negative 26, 10. So that's it for our video today. I hope that you learned something. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends and classmates. See you on my next video. God bless us all.